Welcome back to Shedwars21. This will be my first mail call video, but it's an exciting one. Back in 2020, we started Shed Wars, and it was sponsored by Hoss Tools and Baker Creek. So the captains, they got the seed packets from the respective companies, and then they shared the seeds out among all the collaboration members. So I received mine from John today, John at Will It Grow, and I opened it up already to look through it. But for the sakes of the video, I put it back in. This is the size of the packet. That's it. Now, what do we have? California Wonder Pepper. Just 2 seeds, but this is one of the most popular sweet peppers. I hope to get these to grow well. And I have to grow these in a greenhouse. So I am going to set up my little greenhouse. I'm going to fix it up for Shed Wars. So we'll have a Shed Wars greenhouse and Shed Wars beds. Salad bowl red lettuce. Wonder how many seeds are among there. Scarletnanty Carrot. With respect to carrots, there's only a few seed, but I have found out that you can actually start carrots inside and transplant them. So I'm going to start these in the 200 cell pack and then transplant out the seeds, once the plants, once they get growing. Snowball cauliflower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 seeds. Early round Dutch cabbage, about the same number of seeds. Denver's 126 carrot. This is one that I've heard about, the Denver's Aflong. The 126 I haven't, so I'll do some checkup on this, and I'll put it up. When I'm planting these, I would do some explanation on each variety. Garlic chives. Now this is nice because I have chives outside, as you know, and I was told they were garlic chives and I never checked up on it. Then when I did a video, one of the viewers says, that doesn't look like garlic chives. That's onion chives. So then I checked, and sure enough, it's onion chives. So now I have garlic chives. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 seeds in here. I don't know how many bunches I'll get going, but I will put at least 2 bunches in the Shed Wars beds. This is Lanrith bean, a bush bean, stringless. They're kind of a baking bean type thing. Lactinetto Kale. There's quite a few seeds for the home garden, actually. I've never heard of this variety, but I have come to like kale, so you'll see what this one is like. Hot Portugal mild pepper. I'm not sure why it says hot and mild, but that's what John has written there. There's a lot of seeds in there, so I'll be able to fill that greenhouse completely. Butter crunch lettuce. This is a popular one, and since I I'm going to be starting the seeds in the 200 cell plot. This is plenty of seeds to do the Shedwars21. Okay, dill. I'm happy for this. Dill was one of the herbs that, well, I don't use it very much. Well, I've never used it actually. But I wanted all the herbs that I can grow, so I was tossing over, should I get dill, shouldn't I get dill? And I never did. But now I have it, and there's enough seed in here for me to have it both in the main herb garden and have a couple in the Shedwars beds as well. Mortgage lifter tomato. I've seen this one on quite a few videos. I'm like, that would be nice to have. So if this grows well for me, I'm going to be happy. National pickling cucumber. And Marketmore cucumber. I only have two, but take care of them. Marketmore cucumber can produce quite well. And so, two plants. At the end of the year, they're heirlooms, so save the seeds, and two plants will give you plenty of cucumbers for one family. And the national pickling, in my experience, they were average production, but they can be used either for pickling or for fresh eating. That is why those two varieties are actually quite popular. Ruby Red Baby Swiss Chard. I've come to like Swiss Chard. I didn't do too well with it last year, but I'll grow these in the in another. I'm going to have to make another Shedwars bed, and I'll grow these separate from the other ones and hopefully get some seed from them. Yellow pear tomato. That is one that I grew a few years ago, and it survived the first 3 frosts in our fall, and it produced in abundance. So we shall see what these seeds will do for us for Shedwars. Italian parsley. I don't have this one, so this will be interesting to see what the Italian parsley is like compared to the crinkled parsley. I don't remember the varieties I have right now. Interesting name, Godzilla broccoli. I assume that's a huge broccoli. Benning's green tint. I bought those, a packet of those this year, but that's okay. I will use these 2 seeds for Shedwars and not any of my other ones. Sugar Prince pea. When I check it out, I'm assuming this, with a name like sugar, is a sugar snap, where you can eat the pod and all. We'll see, and like I say, when we're setting them, I will let you know. Lettuce mixed greens, John has written on here. All the seeds look like lettuce seeds. I don't know if there is anything but lettuce in here, but we shall see come growing season. And now, this is something I've never had the opportunity to be near in my life, and something that I would rather not touch with my bare hands on first experience. They are John's Shintaka ghost peppers. And right away, what I'm going to do is take the seeds out of here, and I'm going to bring the pepper up to my pantry, and I'm going to use a little bit of it in the next time I make chili. Yep, that's super dry, John. It's paper dry. Just look at that. Actually, I don't have to open that one because this one, the top stayed on. There was a few seeds out because this other one in the mail, the top broke off it and some seeds fell out. What I'm going to do is just count the number of seeds now from one pepper. That was 63 seeds. And with this laying here and my face pretty much directly over it, my eyes are starting to water from the heat of this pepper. That is mighty hot. Those seeds are what's going to be growing for Shedwars21. I guess I will have to plan out how many beds I need. Hope you enjoyed the video. Strike that thumbs up button for me and I will see you in the next one.